Hey everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we have something special. We have a guest chef. We have Chef Julian. April is Autism Awareness Month, and Julian is on the spectrum. He's a very, very close friend of mine's son. So he actually does take cooking classes at a local vocational school several days a week, and he enjoys cooking. So today he's helping me cook. Say hi, Julian.
Hi, Ricardo.
Say hello to everyone else.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, good. So, Julian, do you like peanut butter?
Yes.
So we're going to be making some peanut butter treats today. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Why does it sound good?
Because it looks like dessert.
It is dessert. Okay, sounds good. So we're going to jump right in. First, we'll talk about our ingredients. I have some chunky style peanut butter, some honey, some graham crackers, some vanilla, some non-fat dry milk, and some quick cooking oats. So we're going to be making some peanut butter treats. And we're going to start by, Julian, start adding the peanut butter to the bowl. Kind of sticky, huh? Yeah, that's the problem with peanut butter. Do you normally eat chunky peanut butter or regular peanut butter?
Regular peanut butter.
Okay, well today you're gonna just eat chunky, is that okay?
Yes.
All right, good. That's pretty good. Here, so. You're gonna add the oats. Now you're gonna add the milk powder. Now you're gonna add the honey. Actually, so here, you can use a spoon because you're definitely gonna need a spoon for that. Do you like honey?
Yes.
You put honey in your tea at night?
Yes.
So your mom's a really, really good cook, right?
Yes.
What's your favorite thing that she makes?
Lasagna.
Yeah? Does she make a good lasagna?
Yes.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
Good. All right, that's pretty good. Next thing, so these are graham cracker crumbs. If you only have whole graham crackers, you can use a meat mallet, put it in some plastic wrap, and make it into crumbs. That's what I did. Go ahead. Perfect. And lastly, you're going to add the vanilla. And then you're going to take the spoon and mix it all up the best you can. Kind of hard to mix, huh? Want me to try?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like it's difficult to mix. You have to do more push-ups because this is really hard to mix. All right. Now, next thing, you have your gloves on?
Yes.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is once this is mixed up, we're gonna take little, about maybe this big, and make little balls.
Okay.
Okay? Can I help you?
No.
I can't help you? Okay. Okay, I guess I won't help. All right, so anyway, we're gonna work on making these into balls. And these don't get baked or anything. These get eaten just the way they are. So you can either eat them now or refrigerate them. We're gonna roll these out. I'm gonna show you what they look like. And I will see you in a few minutes. Say bye, Julian. So our peanut butter treats are done, and I put them on a plate for you to see. And by all means, these can go in the refrigerator and you can keep them for several days. So, Julian, would you like to try one?
Yeah.
I don't actually eat peanut butter, but go ahead. How was it, Julian?
Really, really, really good.
Good. I'm glad you like it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video and leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.